Welcome to my channel, The Amazing Facts of Zoology. I am going to talk about a tiny little beetle, which I used to admire a lot, the ladybird beetle. Scientific classification of ladybird beetle: Kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Coleoptera, suborder Polyphage, subfamily Coccinelloida, family Coccinellidae. These are beneficial insects. The name coccinellids is derived from the Latin word coccineus, meaning scarlet. The 7 spots are also seen on the ladybird's wings. These insects are of 3 colors: yellow, orange, or red, with small black spots on their wings. They bear black legs, head, and antennae. About 6,000 species of coccinellids are found worldwide. Few species of ladybird beetle. They are the best predators of aphids and scale insects. They also attack caterpillars and other beetle larvae. They are a very good biological control agent. Some species gather into groups and move to higher elevations, such as a mountain, to enter diapause. Total lifespan is 1 to 2 years on average. Ladybirds have long been of interest to children. Many cultures consider ladybirds as lucky and have nursery rhymes and local names for these insects. The ladybird was immortalized in the popular children's nursery rhyme. The popular children's nursery rhyme. Due to habitat loss and changes in climate, ladybirds are threatened with extinction. They are beneficial insects, so it is very important to protect them. Thanks for watching. See you with a brand new video soon.